Good morning everyone. Hi guys. And ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo yung gawa kong web. Yung title nito, All Day Scent. Perfume. Meron sa first page, makikita nyo yung for men, for women, tapos yung soft powder. Yan. Blurred for sure. Tapos sa second page, makikita nyo na yung for women, for men, soft powder, tapos may add to cart, tapos may back sa homepage. Yan. Tapos andito na yung mga scent. Makikita nyo na yung mga scent. Pipili na lang kayo ng scent. Tapos sa gilid, andito yung check out or i-add to cart nyo lang siya. Pag na check out nyo na siya, sa third page, andito yung pangalan, name, address, tapos yung contact, exact location, tapos meron ditong shop bonus. Ayan. May shop bonus. Pipindutin yung bonus. 5% off. Free shipping. Tapos, yun yung place order nyo na. Kamsami.
Hi everyone, so this is my website concept called Study Hub. It is a simple platform designed to help students organize and manage their notes. So first, this is the homepage. Here, the user can see their subject like math, science, and others. There's also a search bar and an add new note button for quick access. Next, when you click a subject, it goes to the note page. Dito makikita yung list ng notes with titles and short previews. You can also search or create a new note here. Then, if you open a note, it goes to the note editor page. Here, you can write or edit your notes, add image or voice notes, and then click save. The arrow shows the flow from home to notes to editor and tasks. So overall, Study Hub is designed to be simple, organized, and user-friendly, especially for students who want to manage their notes efficiently. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Hi guys. So this drawing shows the flow of a travel website or app. It starts with a home or landing page where users are welcome with a short introduction and an option to explore the site. From there, you can go to login or sign up page to create an account or login. After logging in, users are directed to the dashboard or main page where they can choose what they want to do, such as exploring, destination, or planning a trip. Next is a destination trip, which is show different travel locations like beaches, cities, or tourist spots. User can select a place that they are interested, and once a destination is chosen, they proceed to booking page where they can enter details and confirm their trip. Lastly is the contact or support page where user can send message or ask for help if they have a question or concern. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is my web called Aura Design. So it is a graphic design platform where we can create or simplify the creative process for students, professionals, and presentations. Para siyang Canva, inspired siya sa Canva, and high quality visual ang content ng nilalaman ng web page ko. And this is the home page where you can see the template here and the featured templates. Next, the projects. Kapag nag-save na kayo ng project, makikita nyo na nakasave na siya automatically dito sa pangalawang page. Next is, ito naman yung example. Kung, for example, gagawa kayo ng resume, meron na siyang template na fill upan nyo na lang yung mga information kailangan. Thank you.
Hi everyone, ito yung aking webpage. Dito una makikita mo yung storefront. Ito yung KYR Vintage Pants. First is the home page where customer can borrow item like loose pants and sweatpants using search bar on the top. Check out sa pipiliin mong item. Step 2, mapupunta ka sa product view. When they click item like baggy pants, they ipili ka ng size. Meron dito small, medium, large, XL, double XL. Makikita mo din yung mga ratings ng mga bumibili sa kanila. Ang ratings na ng baggy pants is 4.5. Ang price is 340. Next, kapag pinindot mo yung buy now, mapupunta ka sa order summary. Ito yung makikita mo yung item na binili mo, yung total, pati yung shipping. Tapos, yung shipping address, dito mo ilalagay yung mga details, pangalan mo, number, pati yung address mo. Tapos, pupunta ka sa payment option. Dito, meron dito mga option na COD, GCash, debit, credit card. Ang pipiliin dito is COD, tapos pipindutin mo yung place the order. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for listening and have a great day. Thank you po.